if you suffer from redness, hot flushes, rosacea, watch this because we've got something pretty amazing to share with you.
Dare I say magic?
Magic. My name's Katie. I'm a professional makeup artist. This is my best mate, also
Katie.
called Katie. Go for it. Take off this side of your face,
right? So
because you're currently wearing this.
Yeah.
Okay. So you take that off, and then I'm going to show you live this in action because this is really, really extraordinary. It is a primer. It is a skin treatment. It is a concealer, it is a tinted moisturiser, plus an SPF 50 with UVA and UVB all in one. So I've applied it to this side of Katie's face, and you can see that this is Katie's face without this redness miracle.
I do suffer with a bit of redness.
This is amazing. Okay, are we ready, Katie?
I'm ready.
Okay, so the great thing, well, the amazing thing about this is it's green, but as soon as you put it onto your face, it adapts to the colour of your skin. It instantly takes down redness, and you can wear it on its own. You can wear it instead of moisturiser. You can wear it instead of your sunscreen. If you like more coverage, you could just wear it under your favourite foundation.
Yeah, that's what I like to do.
But can you see how that has just instantly taken down that redness?
Because when it first comes out, you're like, oh, hang on a minute.
Yeah, and it's so cool because look, it's green. Can you see? But then you massage it in, and as you're massaging it in, it adapts to your skin tone. It's really, really amazing.
So it's going to suit anyone, really.
It suits everyone, and there is a link below or above where you can see this on all different skin tones, so you can see how it works to take down redness. Now you can even wear it as a concealer. So, and if you find this isn't enough coverage for you, I mean, it certainly takes down redness. But if you like more of a coverage, then you can wear this as a makeup primer and put your foundation over the top. But I actually think this is enough.
If it was just a daytime every day, I would just wear this on its own.
Look at that. Now, I'm just going to remove a little just so people can see
the beauty of my redness.
The redness. So again, okay, Katie, I've just applied this, and stay tuned because I'm going to show you some really amazing tips to how to add a bit of contour back into your face after you've applied this. Not that you need to, but if we turn around here, I've just subtly contoured Katie's face while she's wearing this. And I think because if you have redness, you often don't want to wear blusher. So I want to show you a way that you can add just a bit more dimension to your face.
Bit of life back into
Bit of a life back into your face as you've taken down the redness. So Katie, I just want you to remove your cheek area.
Okay.
Remove your cheek area. So people can see.
Is that there we are?
Yeah, that's it. Can you see the redness? Okay, let's cover that up again, okay?
It feels really light as
it
well.
Does.
It doesn't feel like
it does.
skin cream.
And the great thing is that over time, this helps to take down redness. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's not going to take redness away forever, but it's going to instantly take down redness for the time you're wearing it.
And do you know what else I found? It actually soothes my skin as over time, because I wear it always.
Yeah.
And I haven't got rosacea, but I have got quite irritated skin at the moment because of peri.
Yeah.
And I found that it doesn't irritate or sting.
No.
It just feels nice on the skin.
Because if you click on the link, you can read all about this, all the active ingredients in it. I mean, I don't have too much redness. So I'm someone that actually my face just needs a bit of life added back into it.
Ever so washed out.
I'm not ever so washed out by anything on my face, as you guys probably seen. I need help. But can you see, I mean, that's really taken down that redness. But what I want to do now is, for those of you watching, is I want to show you if you have facial like redness, rosacea, perhaps you just have a natural redness that you just want to tone down a little bit. I really want to show you how you can add life back into your face.
Yeah, so it looks more natural.
So it looks more natural. Now, for some of you watching, you might not have much redness anywhere else, might just be on your cheeks. And if you have that, you can apply this all over. And then what I would say is take a brush like this. This is the best brush for buffing out any kind of foundation, tinted moisturizer. If you want your makeup, your base makeup to look natural, use this, because can you see it's got thicker hairs at the bottom and then it goes into really fine tapered hairs. So it's totally vegan, cruelty free. And what this does is, like, Katie doesn't have redness around here, so I will buff out. And this kind of does your blending for you. This is like having a little makeup artist in your makeup bag.
It is like a bit of an insurance, isn't it?
It's such a good brush. And I can't, it just really is. You know, especially if you're doing your makeup in the morning, you don't have great light. This is absolutely brilliant. Yeah. Okay, so we can see this side of the Katie's face is already wearing this as well, but I've added back a bit of contour back in. And this side of Katie's face is just wearing this, which is, you know, taken down that redness. But as I was saying, we really want to add back that kind of sculpted look, because I think once we perfect our face, we want to add back in different colours really, so it doesn't look so just one shade.
Yeah, I think people think, oh, but it looks like I'm wearing more makeup. It actually looks more natural.
Do you know what it does? It really does. So this here is an amazing bronzer. It's one of the most natural looking bronzers you can get. So if you've not worn bronzer before and you're a little bit like, oh, but I'm not really tan, so it would look too much on me, it really wouldn't. There are 2 shades available. You can see in the link below. This is the lighter shade in shade Sunset. And when you see this on, it just gives a really subtle sculpted look to the face. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is a great brush because it's got a lovely slant to it, so it really hugs the contours of your face. And I also like this because it's not a massive bronzing brush that can sometimes just put too much on.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is we're going to start from the top of Katie's ear here, and usually when people apply bronzer they tend to go straight in at the cheek, go round and then go up. But if we really want to create those lovely cheekbones, we actually want to start from here and take the colour down. Now, if you're doing this at home, you can look for the top of your ear and then you're going to go down diagonally. And the trick to getting a really beautiful natural look to this is to place the brush here and then flick it out like this. And the reason we do this is because we want to create almost like an ombre effect to that bronzer. So we want most of the depth of colour here and then it go to light. So you're just flicking it off your face. And what that does is it instantly creates a beautiful contour look. Can you see? I did that in 3 goes. I just went like 1, 2, 3.
It's such a nice light colour.
It really is. I'll do it again. Can you see? So it's almost like I'm going like that. And I'm hugging the contour here. And that looks beautiful. And I've laid it up. You might not want to put as much on, but I'm doing it so you can see at home how it's done. I'm going to put a little bit around the C here, a touch on Katie's nose on the bridge, a little bit on the apple, not too much. And then I'm going to hug around the jawline here. And this is just going to create more definition around the jawline. And as I'm going around the jawline, I'm following the line right across, and then I'm blending it down into Katie's neck, paying attention to the under part here. Now I've already done this side, so I won't do more on this side. But what this is doing, can you see now? It's just adding back a really beautiful, natural look, as opposed to just making it all flat, one colour.
Yeah.
I'll also take the leftovers and just run this bronzer across Katie's eyelids. Because what this does, it gives you a natural eye makeup look without looking like you've got any shadow on at all, but it just adds a bit of definition. So the final touch I'm going to do, all I've used on Katie's face are these 2 products. If you want to see it on different skin tones, there is a link below. I hope there is. If not, you can find the link above in my little description. And then this lipstick, I love. It's like a statement nude colour. When I say statement nude colour, I think nudes can be quite hard to wear. So if you get a nude that's got just a bit more of an oomph to it, it will just really look natural, but in a chic statement way.
I feel safe wearing it.
Yeah.
You know?
So let's just put a little bit on the bottom of your lip there. And imagine doing this in the mornings. You know, you've just got a lipstick. Smudge your lips together for me. You've got a lovely lipstick. You've taken down the redness. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing.
That's a nice colour, isn't it?
Yeah, that really does look lovely. Let's just perfect that for you. Wow. Oh my gosh, I love that.
Yeah, that's my favourite.
That looks really, really nice. I'm going to add a little bit more
that's all put it together, isn't
of
it?
this on your cheeks. I've probably gone a bit overboard now, Katie.
I don't mind.
I'm basically treating Katie like Girls World, like she's my little doll. Do you know what? I get so carried away when I'm doing someone's makeup. So just to reiterate, if you're just joining us, we've used just 3 products to give Katie this amazing look to her face.
Like a nice everyday look.
It's a really nice everyday look. And if you have facial redness, again, Katie, if you take off this side, anyone just joining us on this live can really see what we've done.
So if I take this off again.
Yeah. And then you can see the redness is coming back.
Yeah.
But how amazing a job did this do, hey?
How good is that?
How good is that? Okay, let me know if you have any questions about your redness. Be happy to help. And I'll see you soon in another live. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.